In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on QuickBooks. The process is quick and straightforward, perfect for anyone looking to customize their experience in just a few minutes. Whether you're working in a different language environment or just prefer a language other than English for your accounting tasks, this guide will walk you through the steps needed to make that change with ease. First, you'll want to head over to QuickBooks Online. Start by opening your preferred web browser and entering the QuickBooks URL. Once you are at the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. There you'll find the Sign In button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to log into your QuickBooks account. Enter your email and password. Be sure to type them carefully to avoid any errors. Once you've entered your login credentials, proceed by clicking on the Sign In button. This should now take you into your QuickBooks dashboard where you can access all your financial data and tools. With your dashboard visible, make your way to the top right corner of the browser window where you'll see the three dots. This icon serves as a menu for additional options on Google Chrome. Click on those three dots, which will open up a drop-down menu. From this menu, look for the option labeled Translate. Clicking on Translate brings up the translation options. Now you'll see a list of languages that QuickBooks can be translated into. When you're faced with this list, choose the language you want QuickBooks to display in. Simply scroll through the list and select the language that best suits your needs. It's important to remember that selecting a language will update the interface, making it easier for you to navigate in your preferred language. Once you've made your language selection, you might wonder how to go back and ensure everything is set. To do so, click on Home in your QuickBooks dashboard. This action takes you back to the main page of your QuickBooks account, allowing you to check that the language changes have been applied effectively across your account. And there you have it. In just these few simple steps, you can change the language on QuickBooks to manage your finances more comfortably. If you run into any issues or have specific questions, don't hesitate to reach out to QuickBooks' support or explore their online resources for additional guidance. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope this walkthrough helps enhance your experience with QuickBooks. Feel free to like this video or subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks for optimizing your digital workspace.